Yo, what's going on, guys? Mining King here. Today we're going to be talking about the Z15 build I've been doing. Well, not build, but getting the ASIC back up and running. Had to order some ASIC fans, so they just came in today. So I figured I'd do a shorter video, and this way we could test to see if the unit is actually going to mine now and not just turn off a few minutes later. But you did see behind me here, though, is Mr. Chump Change's flag here. So I do have some room for flags if people want to send it to me or whatever. I'm talking to you, Panda. Give me. I don't even own a red Panda flag. What the heck's up with that? Come on, Panda. I thought we were friends. All right, little troll. Sorry. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the fan I got, and let's go ahead and let's check it out and let's get it all hooked up and everything. So I didn't realize that this was a 2-pack, so I have another one of these, but here you can see this is the new fan. It's called from Easy Cloud. I've never heard of these guys, but you can see here that this is a 12 volt and that is a 12 volt 2.7 amp, and this is also a 2.7 amp, so we should be good here. I did match these the last time I got fan replacements, so this should work. And it's pretty easy. The nice thing about this one compared to the this one has a really short thing, so actually a short cord. So actually I had to buy this extender, right, which kind of sucks. So what's nice about this is this one actually reaches all the way to the control board. So it's really easy. It's just 4 screws. And you put on this this guard over here, obviously over this, because you don't want to put your finger in here. It will be very painful if you do that. I'm just letting you know right now, just in case someone's thinking about it. But let me get this all hooked up, and let's go ahead and turn on the ASIC and give her a test spin. Okay, so I just put 2 screws in here. So whenever you're testing stuff, you don't want to put it all the way back together, because if you got problems, it just takes you longer. 2 screws is more than enough to hold this in. We have it plugged in here on the control board, so all we need to do is turn on the power right here, and we should be good to go. All right. And it is spinning. To give you guys a better angle with the light here, so you can see that both fans are spinning, they're moving. We're gonna give this a second to boot up and do its thing here. Come over to the watt meter. So we're gonna give this a chance to boot up and go through its cycle. And there you can hear it kind of spooling up right now. Now it only would mine for like a minute and then it would ramp down. So let's go ahead, let's wait like 15, 20, 30 minutes, make sure this thing will actually continuously mine, and then we can decide what we want to do with it next. All right, let's go ahead and head over to the computer. All right, guys, we're over here at my desk right here where I usually do live streams and stuff like that. This is where I record. So let's go ahead, let's hop into the computer, let's do a screen capture, and let's figure out if this thing has been on for about 30 minutes or more. So it's been mining. It hasn't reset or turned off. You can hear it in the background. So let's go ahead and let's... Okay, guys, so we're over here at 2 miners with the Horizon pool, because I'm going to mine Horizon because I think it has a better chart than Zcash, but everybody has their own opinion. And you can see right here we're going to be making about 0.8 Zen, so almost a whole Zen a day, which is pretty nice, because then you actually get like almost a whole coin every day. And this might actually go up because it's only been mining for a short amount of time. So we'll have to wait and see how that looks. Our average right now is only 114 kilosouls with our 447 kilosouls at the pool right now, right? So, yeah, man, this thing is amazing. We've been mining for a little while now, and I hope that Horizon does well. I'm gonna stick this thing on Horizon, and we're just gonna let it rip. So that was my chart for the Z15 Pro, and just to show you guys that it was mining for about 15 to 20 minutes, you know, it's doing well, right? It's getting its 440 something kilosouls or 420 or whatever it's supposed to be getting. So it is working again. You can hear it in the background probably from my mic because it's literally just like right over like 20 feet away. Now, I am going to be letting this thing rip, and I am going to be mining and hodling all of the Zen because traditionally over a period of time, Zen has gone up by a 3x from its previous time, right? It was like $60, $70 in the first bull run that it was in, which is the 2018. And then in 2021, it went up to $150, $160. So even if it doesn't even follow that trend of going back to where it was, it's only $7.50 right now. If it goes back to its all-time high right there at 150 and not to a new 3x, which would be around like $400 to $450, okay, you're looking at about a 20x, right? Just by previous bull run numbers. And the machine is under $1,000. It uses less than 1,600 watts. You could technically plug it into 120, although that is really on the high end of a 120 circuit. You could literally have nothing else on it, but it is possible. So it's good for home mining, and you know what I mean. It's under $1,000. It's only $900. That's under a year payback if you mine and sold every day. If you're around 10 cents, because it makes about $2-3 a day. So it's actually a great machine, and there's no competition. They've only made 2 ASICs in the last 4 years. 2. That's it. The only competition Bitmain has is with itself. The Z15, they made the Z15 Pro, which is only double the hash rate of the current Z15 because there's no competition on Equihash, right? So this could be a good way for people to get into ASIC mining without breaking the bank. You know, not financial advice, but all right, this is the Mining King giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time.